Who is your favorite motivational speaker and why do you follow him or her?
Okay. Do you have any incident of your college in which you feel ashamed with your English?
Yeah,
Hello friends, my name is Osama Ahmed Khan. I am a motivational speaker, teacher and founder of Excellence Education Point. Here is Rishabh with me. He has successfully completed 5 months English speaking course in our institute. In today's session, what we are gonna do? Let me tell you in short that we have divided this session in 2 parts. In first session, I will ask some questions that how is he capable to speak English in such a way. The second part, he will ask some question about anything, about life, about education, about anything. He can ask me. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So Mr. Rishabh Yadav, before starting, can you give your little intro to our audience?
yes, why not? Hello everyone, myself Rishabh Yadav. I am 21 years old. I live in Delhi and I was born and got up in Delhi. As far as my qualification is concerned, so I have completed my schooling from Ramjas Senior Secondary School number 1 and right now I am pursuing last year of graduation from Dayal Singh College of Delhi University, and I have recently completed an English speaking course of 5 months from Step to Excellence Coaching Center.
Okay, Rishabh. So I want to ask you that when you joined 5 months ago, so what was your aim?
I just wanted to be fluent in English because whenever I used to speak English language, so I was not able to speak English language in a great manner. I did not used to speak English language in front of anyone because whenever I used to speak English language, so there was lots of mistakes which I used to do. Now I can speak English language in a great manner.
Very good. So what about your future plans? What you are gonna do?
As I told you that I am right now pursuing last year of graduation. So after graduation, I have to start my own earning, or I can say that I have to start my own business. So I have to do export. So in particular export, we have to connect with foreigners, and that is why English is really important for me. That's why I came here to speak English language.
So Rishabh, in this long time period, in this long journey,
Yes.
we have just completed so many activities.
Yes.
We did so many activities.
Yes.
So I want to ask you, could you tell us that what are all those activities?
Well, there were lots of activities like chain game, role play, and teaching. I used to teach a lot.
A lot.
Yes, I used to teach a lot. And there were lots of activities like that, and I really used to enjoy such activities.
So I want to ask you that could you tell me that which is your most favorite activity and why?
Yes, I can tell you. Chain game was my favorite activity because whenever we used to play chain game, so I used to win a lot. That's why I like chain game the most.
Chain game you said,
Yes.
right? Okay. So what's different in chain game that you used to like? Tell us something about the chain game. What is the chain game first?
The chain game is the next person will ask you a question or a sentence in Hindi language, and you have to translate that particular sentence or question in English language. So whenever someone used to ask me a sentence, so I used to instantly make that sentence from Hindi language to English language.
So you had a very good experience with that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And as you said in your introduction that you are pursuing college, right?
Yes.
In which year you are?
I am in last year.
You are in last year. Congratulations for that.
Yeah,
So,
and I am gonna be graduated soon.
very good. So just I want to ask you, do you have any incident of your college in which you feel ashamed with your English?
Yeah, actually when I was first year student, so I went to my library and I was trying to connect with my librarian in English language, but I was not able to speak English language at all at that very moment. So that was the very first moment in my college when I realized that I should know English.
I think you felt very frustrated at that very
Yeah,
time.
because there were lots of students around me and they were looking at me.
So what did you do then?
Then I decided to to speak English language, and I decided to be a fluent in English language.
If you are not able to speak properly as you are speaking right now,
Yes.
so what would happen in your future?
It will really harmful for me because whenever I will try to speak English language in front of anyone, so I will not able to speak English language and they would judge me.
Right now you are so much fluent as I am saying.
Thank you.
So how are you feeling after that? Because as you know that there were lots of students,
Yes.
but as the time passed, some students for some reason they
Yep.
left the class.
Yes.
So what would you suggest them if they are watching to us right now?
Well, I would like to say something to you guys. You should not have done so because just look at me. I was also like you. I was not able to speak English language at all. But now just look at me, how fluent I am and how much English I can speak in a good manner. So you would be able to speak English language as I am speaking right now.
Okay, that's very good. Lovely. Great. So my next question is that if you will do your business in future,
Yes.
so how will English help you?
As I told you that I will have to connect from the peoples which do not live in India.
Okay.
So that is why I will have to connect with them in English language because English, as we all know, that English is a native language.
Yes, correct.
That's why I can easily be connected with them in English language. That's why I
Means
wanted.
that in business you will also use the English language.
Yeah, I will definitely
That-
use English
that-
language.
I got the point. Okay, so do you have some questions? As we have told to our audience that you will ask some question to me itself.
Yes, I have.
So you can ask me if you have some questions.
Yes, I have lots of questions for you.
Yes, that's-
Who is your favorite motivational speaker, and why do you follow him or her?
Okay. Let me tell you, Rishabh, that there are so many motivational speakers like
Yes.
Sandeep Maheshwari,
Dr.
Samarjit
Vivek
Singh,
Bindra.
and Dr. Vivek Bindra, as you
Yes.
told, Himesh Madan, and there are so many others.
Yes.
But I would like to tell you that these all are my favorites.
All of
Favorite.
them.
Yes, these
Well, it
all
sounds
are my
really
favorite because
interesting.
there is something special in each of them.
Okay.
If we talk about Sandeep Maheshwari,
Yes.
so he talks, he teaches us
Yes.
spirituality.
Yes.
When we talk about the Dr. Vivek Bindra, so he teaches us business.
Yes.
Or when we talk about the Dr. Simarjit Singh,
Yes.
his voice is really great.
Okay.
You should listen to him.
Okay.
His voice is really amazing. When you listen, that you can actually feel his vocals.
All right. Now I would
Yes.
definitely listen to him.
Yes, that's great. You want to say something to our audience?
Yes. Guys, do you know what is the best way to be fluent in English? Trust me, it is all about how much you practice. So if you want to be fluent in English, so please start practicing at least half an hour for a day. Because if you don't practice at all at your home, so you would not be able to speak English language at all. And guys, you should try speaking English language in front of your friends, with your guardians as well, and with your siblings also. And if you speak English language in the front of a person with whom you are meeting for the very first time, so they will be really attractive for you and they will give you more importance than before. That is why I would suggest you that you should speak English language as much as you can.
So Rishabh,
Yes.
pleasure to hear you.
Thank you.
So guys, he was Rishabh. As you have listened him, if you want to watch more his videos, so you can go to our channel in playlist and you can get all his videos like role plays, speeches, all he did, where you will find each and everything. So thanks for watching and we will meet you in our next video. Thank you so much.